Welcome to my channel. Today I am show how to creating WhatsApp call links. It's easy and anyone can do it. Follow the step to get start. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Tap the calls button. Now tap create call link. Select call type and choose between a voice call or a video call. Now tap either share link or copy link. If you to go with the share link option, you will have to paste the link into your chat with them on a different platform or Gmail. If you go with copy link, you can choose anyone your WhatsApp contact list to send it to by simply sharing for their name in the search bar. That's it. Now all you have to do is start the call and wait for the person or people you have invited to join. Joining a call is as simple as tapping join call below the link and then the join button on the call preview. Thanks for watching this video.